So today we're going to be doing like a 1/3 water change on my 40-gallon tank. So what we're going to do is take my siphon that's attached to the hose and suck out all these pieces of goldfish that my bass just spits out after he eats. So the first thing you want to do usually is put a towel on the ground so you don't spill and get stuff on the ground. So we're going to go over here and drop down this rope. And we're going to go down. So I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to put it around my siphon. Just tighten it. And I'm going to go back up and retrieve it. And then I'm going to take my siphon, get as much as we can, and we're just going to walk it over. As you can see, it's sucking, making a suction because how the hose is pushing it out. Now what we're going to do is put this into the tank, and it's sucking water through now, outside. So we're going to pick up all these little bits and pieces. You don't want to put it too close to the sand so it doesn't suck it up. Usually if you're doing water change, you want to turn off your heater, filter, whatever. But I'm doing such a small water change, so that's not really needed. So right now I'm sucking up all these pieces. Just cleaning up the bottom of the tank. Alright, so as you can see, the bottom of the tank is pretty clean. Sucked up all the major pieces. I'm just taking some of these smaller pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect because it'll get dirty again in just a couple, like a week. And then I'm going to do another water change. So I've sucked up most of the stuff from the bottom. And now I'm just going to leave it to suck out some more of the water. I'm going to put it down to about here. That's about like a third. And then we're going to take it out and I'll show you how we put the water back in. And now we're going to take this over to the sink over here. We're just going to put it right there. And then we're going to walk downstairs. It's pushing out water. Now it's pushing water out. See right here, it's pushing out fresh water. We're just going to wait a second so it cleans the hose a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to turn this off. Take it over here. And I like to cure for half of the tank at first. This is Stress Coat by API. So I just put a little bit at first. That's about enough for half. Let me start this up again. And then just gonna wait a little bit while that fills up the tank. Waiting for this to fill up, I can just show you my setup for my 55 gallon. I have a little bass right there, little largemouth. I grew him up a little bit, and that's a golden shiner or just a regular shiner. I'm not sure. Maybe it's like a little hybrid. And right back here next to my heater, I have a common pleco and a golden claw crab right here. It's not really golden claw, but they just call it that. And then this black thing right here, it's a UV sterilizer. It sucks water in. There's a UV lamp in there, and it just sterilizes the water. And I just got 2 filters. Alright, so this is pretty much all done. I only like to fill it to about right here. So I'm just gonna turn it off like that. And then I'm gonna cure for the rest of the water, which is another half of that. So now it's just a little cloudy because of all the water running through and stuff. It'll clear up in just a minute. Let me fix this lighting real quick. Keep it on white. Yeah. So it's just a little foggy, but it'll clear up in a minute, and I'll show you guys that in about 5 minutes. Alright. And then what we do is we're just gonna drop it back down slowly so we don't break anything. The rest is just hose, so we can just go down. So something cool about this, which maybe they can make something to make it a little better, but it builds up a lot of pressure in this hose. So when you start it, it goes like a lot, and then it just goes back down. So, and then what we're gonna do over here is close our faucet. And then we'll just put the soup and open this. Just empty out our hose a little bit. And then we'll just take this off again. And then unscrew this. Put this back on. So we don't leave this place all messed up and stuff. Put our hose back on. And then we're just gonna coil this up. Now it's all coiled up. And we're just gonna take it back into here. Store it away for the next water change. And then we're just gonna clean off this towel. Put it back over here. And wait for all this stuff to cycle again. And yeah. So that was my water change, step-by-step water change for my 40-gallon tank.